So they just came from seeing Sinners. How was the movie to you?
Oh man, awesome. Awesome. A lot of theatrics. It was definitely different. Being a vampire movie, it was definitely different, but awesome.
So do you watch vampire movies or supernatural movies, or you just support it?
I didn't up until now. I probably will be.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
A 10.5.
Oh, that's what's up.
Outstanding movie.
Outside of the main actors, Michael B. Jordan, who was a surprise to you that did real good?
I don't know the guy's name, but the gentleman who was actually the son, the preacher's son, in there. I don't know his name, but he was surprisingly pretty good in the movie.
Did you stay to the end of the movie?
Yes, I did.
So, because it has end credits, right?
It does.
Oh, okay, so you did see that.
I didn't see the end credits. I didn't look through the end credits.
I got you. All right, man. So enjoy your night, man. Appreciate your time.
All right, brother.
All right.